So hey everyone, and I am Slesha back here on my channel, and you're most welcome today in my short video. Today I'm going to tell you some amazing facts about some Google searches which you can search and have some fun with Google. First you can search Diwali. So whenever you search Diwali, you will see a 3D kind of image, and then you can play with it. You can light these diyas. You can have fun. That's how you can play with all of them. One more I'll tell you, that's Holi. You can search Holi, and then you can click on this colors icon, and then you can play on your screen. You can also change the color, and you can start again. One more is there, that's you can order Google, do a barrel roll, and whatever you will search, it'll do a barrel roll. So if you want more of these kind of videos, just tell me in the comment section and comment if you knew about them before. And thanks for watching.